Hello, sir. Doing good. How are you? How's your spine been? Anything new? Anything new going on?
Not really. Other than randomly, I feel like when I hold my phone up kind of on my right hand, I feel like my hand gets tingly.
Do you ever have weakness? Like you feel like you're gonna drop it? Does the tingling go away?
Yeah. I usually just kind of shake it out now.
Okay.
It kind of feels like it's not touching me.
Yeah. Well, those nerves that come out of your neck come all the way down through your shoulder, past your elbow, and into your hand. And so, working our way up from the fingers, wrist, elbow, and shoulder to like figure out if there's any nerve entrapment, because that can happen, and you can correct a lot of that neural entrapment with the adjustment of the bones, but also through nerve flossing. And it's not the dance. Yeah. Yeah. Can you imagine us teaching patients how to neural floss but dancing while we're doing it?
Exactly right.
Uh-huh. And then your upper back. No bones against you, but your upper back is very tight today, Marty. Oh, okay. Yeah. And so what you'll do is you'll turn on your side and face me this way. I'm going to adjust the lower portion of your lower back, and then I'm going to have you turn over on your back. Once we get done with that, we're going to do tiny individual A to P adjustments. It's a little bit different, but it's a really focused, instead of me just jumping on top of you. Okay. Other side, sir. Did you ever play Heroes of Might and Magic? Good job, right there. Thank you, sir. On your back. You ever play Dawn of War?
I don't know. That one sounds familiar, though. The other one definitely didn't.
Grab your shoulders really tight. We'll do this guy right here. Good. Two more. Just a little bit lower. Thank you. Last one. Okay. There's a lot of tension up through your back, coming right into your neck. That one was okay. That one's okay too. Okay. Might I help you up? You want to get up on your own?
I'll take the help.
Okay, sir. You're welcome so much, sir.